Racing just is started. We have Real Heaven. Break quickly at the start, Stone Pace. And on the outside comes Highway Builder. Then next on line is Friendly Fire, Perfect Pass. Then followed over by Hardway Malihim. Racing second last. While entry number 8, Western Champ, is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have a Stone Pace, Fire Length, Anyhow. Perfect Pass is right behind in second. Real Heaven is done on the inside third. And on the outside comes Friendly Fire in the portion. Malihim. Then next online is Highway Builder. Western Champ second last, while Hardway now racing in last half mile distance. They traveled. We have Stone Pace is still in control, maintaining a 3/4 of a length lead. A Perfect Pass in second. Moving up now on the outside, Friendly Fire. Malihim comes next, then down on the inside, Real Heaven. Western Champ now moving up on the outside. Then next online now is Hardway, while Highway Builder now racing in last 400 meters of the race. We have Perfect Pass, Friendly Fire, Malihim in the middle portion. Down on the inside is Stone Pace, Real Heaven. Then moving up on the outside now is Western Champ, Hardway as they swing for home. We have Perfect Pass, Fire Length, Anyhow. And on the outside, Friendly Fire, Malihim is down on the inside. Last 75 meters, Perfect Pass followed by Malihim, Friendly Fire, and finally it's Perfect Pass. Malihim, Friendly Fire, then comes Hardway.
Bihado na naman.